Hi guys, today we're going to be doing things a little bit different in this video. I will be changing my oil. It is due soon, so I thought I'd do it myself. A lot of the times I don't really know what I'm doing. Just join me along for the ride. And yeah, we'll see if I run into any trouble. We are going to Canadian Tire right now to grab some oil and a filter. And just for reference, I've never changed oil in a German car. I've only done it in an old Mustang before, but that was super easy because it's old and everything's just there for you. So we'll see how hard this is. So there's two results. There's the Moto Master and the Fram. Fram's a little more expensive. CH11. Yeah, it's this one. We'll check the quality. There shouldn't really be much of a difference. They're exactly the same. I think I'll just take the Moto Master. I'm not sure how much oil is needed for the car. I'm gonna quickly search up how much it takes. 5.8 quarts, so about 5.5 liters. I found a full synthetic. I'm just making sure that it's the right specification for my car. See here, Volkswagen and VW 502. So perfect, we found our oil. Thank you.
Not a problem, right?
You too. I'm gonna see if I need a specific Volkswagen tool or not, or if I can just do it myself. This filter goes up to 12,000 kilometers. The other one went up to 10,000. This one's a little bit better. Heading back now to the house. As easy as the Mustang was. That thing maybe took like 5 minutes. I just went under the car, took off the bolt, let the oil drain, put some new oil in, replaced the filter. It was super easy. This one may not be so easy. I was wondering why it said the wrong oil in there, but apparently they just didn't have the right sticker, so they just put a random one on. It is a really hot day today, so I'm very glad. It's been like this for like a week or two now, so it's kind of awesome. Usually we never get this type of weather out here. The fans in the engine are very loud. I'm sure it's probably because of the turbo and that needing to be cooled off, especially after like a 20-minute drive. As you can hear the fans right now, that's what I was talking about. Anyways, these ramps might not work out just because my front skirt is scraping. So we're gonna see if we can try to put some planks underneath the tires so that's a little bit more lifted while it's going up on the ramp. And if not, then we might have to resort to plan B. Now I hope this works, so let's see. Let's see what's going on. Oh, it's definitely this. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna hurry up a little bit, but I should be able to make it. Did you smell that? Is that just my clutch? That was just, woo! I was just on my clutch a little too much. Look how lifted it is. Okay, it doesn't look like it did some serious damage. Like this is flipped back out. These are fine. Like out of shoes. Like this is a little bent, but that's fine. This worked. Now we have the car up. First, we're gonna try and find where the oil pan is. Oh my god, everything's so hot in here. Very hot in here, but anyways, I think we found the oil pan. It looks like that's the screw for it. It's a star shape, which is very unusual. You don't really see that. I'm looking for the oil filter. I don't see it at the bottom, so I'm thinking it might be up here. It should be right here. After we drain the oil, then I will drop the car down and replace the filter and put some more oil in. Okay, this one fits perfect. Okay, do you want to pass me the pan though? The oil pan. It's already dripping. Here, maybe I can unscrew it by my finger. Oh yeah. I'm trying to move quickly. Ooh! Okay. It did get a little on my arms, but it's not that bad. We drained the oil. Yay! That was actually easier than I thought. Step 2, replacing the filter. It's tight. It's so hard to work on these engine bays when you have this rust proofing here because it's uncured, it's not dry. It's draining. Okay, so this one will go into the old. Oh, I gotta push it in. It looks like the oil finished draining, so I'll be putting the screw back in and filling it up with more oil. I hope I tighten the screw hard enough so that it doesn't leak. This is for precautions. I'm pretty sure the GTI needs 5.7 liters, so this full thing is 5, so I have to do this full thing plus a little bit more. I found a little bit of extra oil from last time I got my oil change done, so we'll just top it off now. It's like halfway. It looks fine for now, but the car's not leveled, so we'll drop it down and recheck. Oops, I just have to put the cap back on. Ooh! The last thing I have to do is just dump the oil. I will be going to the recycling center and they'll take care of that. Alright, one is done. Let's put this car down. The car's back down. I'm just waiting for it to level up, so I'll give it a few minutes or so and I'll come back to check on it. And if I need to, then I will add more. Perfect in the middle. Honestly, it was easier than I expected. It could have been worse. If I can do it, you guys for sure could do it. Alright, so we finished the oil change. The last thing we need to do is reset the service notification for the oil change. You'll go to your steering wheel. There's going to be a button for your right view here. You press on it. We'll go to travel time and distance, and you'll hold the same button for 6 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You let it go and you'll go down to reset oil change and you click OK and we can click OK again. That's all there is to it. Before we finish, I just want to quickly look at my tire pressure just because I've had issues in the past. My two front ones are good. They're the right PSI 36. My rears keep losing air, so we're gonna fill them up with air and then put a tire sealant. That's good. Yeah, this one's already good. That's it for the tires. Hopefully it doesn't leak anymore and the sealant works. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed me changing my oil. I thought I wouldn't be able to do it, and then I did. If you are thinking about doing things yourself, I think you should. It's a great learning experience. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.